Let's see. Let's get some good footage in. Ooh. I need to move these ones. The problem is they move down when I start the game. So what if I just take these, let's take the prefab and just add it like, move it like 1 dot up. Yeah, that could actually work. I'll do that for the next release. Should be good. This one starts, yeah, nice. Oh, I need to do a rework on this one. Oh, that one's opening. That shouldn't open. Okay, well, we got chain lightning now. So that could be some good footage, because chain lightning's good. Ooh, chain lightning split shot. Yeah, that's a good, that's gonna get some good footage, I think. Do this, go down here. Whoa, we have so much damage. That can't be right. How is that correct? Something's... Ooh, poison shot. You know what? Fuck it. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I do need to edit that chain lightning. It's a little bit long. Let's change the range of it. I do love that you can play dodge the XP now. Yeah, get fucked. Come on. Come up me, huh? Huh? Come up me. You wanna try? Yeah, happening. Yeah. Ah, damn it. It made a U-turn. Yeah, that's good. Maybe good footage right there. Also, the damage doesn't actually... Like, it doesn't correlate. Ooh, am I on easy? I'm on easy, ain't I? Yeah, I should be on hard, not easy. Oh, well, this one doesn't work. Why does that not work? Huh. Yeah, I'm unsure why that doesn't work. That shouldn't have broken. I'll fix that out. Check what's going on with it. Ooh, lightning pylon plus split shot. This is gonna be really good. I just need to get a higher level so I can actually have some units, and then I can get some really good footage with this. Nice. Doing some boss fights with this should be good. I do want to do something with these. Oh, I've lost my... For some reason, my projectiles are no longer a thing. I'll figure out what that is. Why are they? Because they're in here. Are they rendered on the? They're rendered on the wrong floor, I think, or in the wrong layer. That's an easy fix. Whoop. What is this? Iron armor. Nice. Oh, I do need to disable like the hitboxes after death. Sorry, yeah, after they die, like while they're in the death animation, I should disable hitboxes. Whoa, they have like no health. So I need to figure out why that is. Why these ones have so little health. I'll watch the footage back later, so I'll get all the things I need. Go on to the next floor. Let's see. They haven't really increased health much, which is weird. They should increase health by a lot more than that. I'll look into the why they don't increase health the way they should. Bungus. Very strong. Yeah, it's just gonna one shot because it doesn't increase health the way it should. I might have to like double floor, or maybe even triple floor. Let's check on that later. Right now I'm a little bit too powerful, so to be fair, what I'm trying to do is... Oh, he's got 200 health. That's actually not that much either. Oh, this could actually be a really good, very good one. I can get some good footage from the area in the next area here. This is also decent footage, but I would like to get this one. Because in this one you can have like... just get zapped, you know. For some reason, like the chain lighting and stuff, it just adds way too much damage to me. Oh, it didn't trigger the thing. Regenerating shield. I don't have an illustration for the regenerating shield. I need to add in a thing for those. Both the shield and the... Oh, hi. This should actually happen. I don't know why this happens, but you shouldn't be able to hit this once like twice in a row. Homing. Homing's nice. What do I get? Oh, that one I can't target. Weird. Because of chain lightning, iron armor, knockback. Berserker's axe, that one's really brutal. I need to probably adjust how this one's calculated because the Berserker's axe is just so strong. Earthshot's nice. Eagle Eye, there's quick traits. Because crit damage, yeah. So I should now start actually doing some crits. Let's try to get to floor 7. I'm actually very curious what happens if we get to floor 7. Ooh, treasure room. Yeah, I feel like I need to increase the danger of like... So there's... When you go down floors, it should increase a lot more. So score disappears. I'm not sure why score disappears. I'll check this one too. I'll report all of those. Put them in the list. Yeah, because HP doesn't increase, and like the difficulty doesn't increase the way it should for every floor. So we need to really bump that up. Actually, what I should do is I should have like a label on screen, at least for testing, which just shows me the difficulty ramping and like where it is currently. Because then I can use that as a good way of like determining what's going on. I don't think I need this test. The sunflower though. Let's go. So easy. Let's go with Divine Slime. It's nice. I'll have to look into that again. Also, it seems like we're getting a loop of the same bosses, and we shouldn't get a loop of the same bosses. It to me it seems like the list of like completed bosses isn't changing, which is well, it's bad. Ooh, Fast Like Among Us. Why does it play that after? Why am I flying now? Oh, wait, what? Does it like every time I level now? Does it like change to whichever one I'm leveling to? Ooh, that's a big issue. Oh yeah, that's not good. It doesn't even do that. Oh yeah, that's not good. Disables a button for it too. That's I need to check that later on. Oh, let's go. Just do the boss immediately. Still teleports behind the gold. Still an issue. Actually, I want to see where he teleports to. So that's fine. He doesn't walk anything anymore. I'm gonna have to change like how his walking is calculated, because he doesn't walk anymore. Also, these ones that he spawns shouldn't drop any XP, so I need to change that. You can also stop the music from playing, that's also not a good thing. The teleport seems to be pretty, like, short. Yeah, I need to give him my move speed. Also, why can't this one be interacted with? Weird. If I go in this, yeah, it's changing my stuff around every time, which is not a good thing. That's a error in the code. Because that's gonna apply these things every time. Ooh, hi. That's also not a thing. That should not be spawning in here. Can I get multi-bomb? I can get multi-bomb. Hey, it works. Nice. Okay, so multi-bomb works well. Flying should allow me to go over here, but I'm technically not supposed to be flying yet. Extra bomb does nothing, because I have that in counter bombs, which I should be adding in. Oh, I don't know what it is. I'm just not flipping a. There's a it's Boolean. I'm not flipping in the player. Sorry, the level up sheet. There's a Boolean there that I need to flip. Once I get to flip that Boolean, then I can. Can prevent the level up stuff. Is this level 7? This is level 7, right? Yeah, this is floor 7. Yeah, so the problem here is that floor 7 will never render because of how it's set up. So actually, let's deal with that now. Let's deal with all those issues we found. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna change stuff around here. Let's add in a few sources, like for example, let's add in the let's add in. They changed all of life split around, so I have to like create new sources. we are adding in Visual Studios. Which should be just the this one. Yeah. So that's the code. And let's add in our screen capture, of course. Unity. And we're looking for the Unity engine too. This one. Nice. Let's go over the things that we found immediately. First, we need to head to the Visual Studios, because that's, and I remember a couple of things we need to fix from there. What we're looking for is we're looking for the level up handler, this one. There was a problem in here. Here it is. So we set the evolution equals true here, because we run the bool evolve. But after we choose that, we never set the evolution to false again. So what we need to do is just straight up just go here and say evolution equals false. And that's gonna change that entire thing. That's not gonna be fixed. We also need to, yes, if we level up, that's fine. That's just gonna fix the level up issue. We had an issue with the sundial not spawning things. So let's go fix the sundial. Here we go, sundial spawner. We also need location spawner. Where are you, location spawner? Here we go. Now my question is whether or not this actually does the thing. So obviously this one doesn't. I set the ID. I do not set the ID here. Do I set the ID here? No. When is the ID ever referenced other than just in when it's checked? Because if that's just set to 0, that's just set to 0. We're never gonna get anywhere. ID. It is never set. Okay. So here's the problem then. So what we need to do is we need to do We just do a standard for loop, and then we say spawners at I dot ID equals I. That's gonna set up the IDs, which means we're gonna be able to actually fill this one. This should technically fix it on its own, because that's I think that's the issue, because it never actually assigned itself to be like, because like I have a array here called cleared. This array itself is supposed to track which things are, like which of the spawners are cleared. Like so all the spawners, they spawn 2 enemies, and once those 2 enemies are dead, it's supposed to reference that, hey, I'm cleared, I'm done. And if they didn't have their ID, they would only reference the default ID, which will be 0, meaning they would only set this one to true instead of setting the entire array to true based on where they were. So that should fix the sundial spawner not working properly. Hello, Liquid Drax. How you doing, man? I also need to make sure that Skeleton King actually moves the way he should. Because I believe Skeleton King used to use the walk from enemy to handle its movement. So we need to actually change that. Oh yeah, also, quick little thing in this one. It has a death thing, right? Yeah, there we go. Die. On die, we need to say get component. That's good to hear. I think I can just go get a straight collider 2D, and I will just get either one of them. And then we just disable that straight up. This should prevent us from actually chain lightnings off of dead enemies. It should also prevent us from being able to attack dead enemies, and it should also no longer block projectiles. So that's gonna be useful. Now, Skeleton King, why are you not walking the way you should? Where's his roam? How's your day going, Liquid Drax? You're just chilling? And that is idle. Let's just scroll up to his update, because he's got a couple of states. His states are idle, engage. So I need to find this engage. No. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. Let's start destroy update here. This is what I'm looking for. Engage. What is engage? He finds distance to player, and he's gonna move towards player. If he's within attack range, he's gonna attack the player. Else, he moves towards the player. And it's currently still being handled by that, so it should not be handled by that. So let's set that to false, because that's an issue. What we should instead do is say transform the position equals. Actually, I can just plus, because that's vectors. I'll just plus that with the direction to player, because that's already normalized. That's going to be a 1 multiplied by enemy dot speed. Multiplied by time dot delta time. What that's going to do is going to take a direction to the player, which is a vector. It's going to multiply that vector with the speed, which means he will be walking at a certain speed, and then take the time since the last time this was checked, or since the last frame rather, time since last frame, and then it's going to walk that amount of speed towards the player until it's within attack range. So it will be roaming towards the player. It's going to be roaming pretty slow anyways, but now it's at least going to be doing stuff, so that's good. Yeah, because it's engage. Ooh, I do not need to do this. Oh yeah, that does not need to be here. That's gonna be just slow. Sorry, that needs to be in start. Yeah, because that's log into the logbook, and the log into the logbook is gonna constantly be pinging the works, which is gonna save a data all the time. That's not good. That's gonna be very laggy. We find a lot of things. You know what? Actually, you know, I'm gonna get some music too while I'm here. Since we're programming and we're doing stuff, might as well. Where's my Spotify? There's my Spotify. I could technically also, where is it now? It will be in the here, and it will be in assets. It's assets, right? Wait, now. I want the soundtrack. Wait, what the fuck? This is not where I wanted to be. I want to set up the soundtrack. Okay, I guess I'm not allowed to set up the soundtrack. That's fine, I guess. Okay, come on. Well, screw it. If I'm not allowed to set up the soundtrack, I'll just leave it for now. Let us go grab some smooth jazz. It's a little bit loud. There we go. Much better. Okay. Still slightly loud. There we go. So we need to instantiate the things. So let's see. Summon spawn enemy, spawn skeleton attack. This one. Skeleton instantiate. So if we do then skeleton dot get component XP. Sorry, enemy boom boom dot XP set to 0. Or actually no. Let's go here. No, that's fine. Let's set the XP to 0. And then in the spawn XP orbs in this one, we just say if XP equals 0, break. No. Okay, I can't do that because it's it's an numerator. So what if I just do this, go to the end, and then do boom boom. There we go. Now we just change it to not equal 0. Boom. Because then we can set zeros and it won't spawn any XP globes. Oh, we actually do that. Never mind. We already do that. Never mind. I'm just an idiot. I've already done this. I just haven't actually handled the exception. Because they're not supposed to give any XP. Because you shouldn't be able to just farm XP on them. So we got that. He walks. He spawned enemies properly. The teleport is still slightly random. Which it should be, to be fair. It should be able to teleport pretty much everywhere except for the fact that it teleports into a wall sometimes, and that's a issue. But it should be fine. We need to check how the damage is calculated for damage multipliers. Because it was a little bit overpowered right now. Oh, and scaling. Shit. Let's actually add that in. Let's go here. And we want to just in the UI add in a tracker for difficulty so we can see the amount of difficulty currently. So let's see. Same with the score, to be fair. Yeah, just next to this, we'll just do a we need a UI Text Mesh Pro. I'm just gonna put this down there because it doesn't actually matter where it renders. TM pre difficulty. Make it the correct correct font, of course. Go, and then we on the where are you, difficulty manager? There you are, difficulty manager. Let's put that in there. And then we just, whenever we edit the difficulty in any way, we just say .toString. Boom. Yeah. Because if we just do that on every time it changes. Actually, let's just put it on the update. And just make sure that it actually updates over time. Now, if I move the game up here, you guys should be able to see my right screen. Yeah, nice. I should now be able to do some testing on it. So what we're testing now is we're checking the difficulty. That the difficulty actually does what it's supposed to do. It's not, because I haven't hooked it up. It is now hooked up. Now it should do what it's supposed to do. The current difficulty is 1. If we set the difficulty to... Why is that a thing? In the game panel, it's this one, right? Yeah, it's this one, but for some reason the list is rendered underneath everything. Okay, yeah, so that's just a problem. Okay, getcha. Yeah, I get why that's a problem. So it's this, but I just change it to be one below, and then that should work. Why does it still not do that? Drop down list. Okay, so let's make it that instead. Because I'm rendering the UI so far forward, it's blocking the drop-down list. Should be an easy enough fix. Just need to find a rendering that's like, okay, why is this not opening? Okay, let's try again. Okay, yeah. So now it's fine. If I go to insane, it should be on difficulty 2, yeah? Ah, right. Sorry. I'm printed the wrong difficulty. Back to the code. 2 seconds. It's not difficulty 2 string, it is the actual difficulty that I return. So it's this. .to string. You guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but that's fine. I'm just putting in the actual difficulty into the tracker, so I can actually see what the full difficulty is at any one time, and then I can adjust that over time. If I feel like the difficulty is too low, I can adjust like how fast it scales upwards, because I feel like transitioning floors should have more of an impact on the difficulty, which it doesn't. So I probably need to like maybe add a power to it. Yeah, so the current difficulty is 3. Also, the fact that you can change difficulty on the fly is like kind of insane without restarting it. Current difficulty 2, 1, so that's fine. Set it to hard because that's what I'm actually testing on, like by default. I can't gamble anymore. Yo, Reginald. What's up, bro? Oh, hi. Nice. Like, I would love to go up and just defeat the boss at the moment, but unfortunately that's not going to be a possibility. I also want to check now if the difficulty does indeed actually scale over time. Oh yeah, I need to fix these ones too. I should place it a little bit further up. You know what, since we're here in the editor, we might as well just do that. Since we're in the editor, let's just go. Trap, and we should find it. Fire trap, gas trap. Trapped room. If we go into trapped 4-way and then just go trap room and then go open prefab in isolation, I should be able to take the entire trap room and just set the thing to be, let's say 2 up. Yeah, just give it 2Y. Why not? That should now fix it. Just make it easy, you know. Also, I can just do bosses because it's not like it's a problem. So let's go just insta kill the boss for now. Boom. Yeah, so we just insta kill the boss. Now if you go down the floor, current difficulty is 2 still. Current difficulty should now scale, but it doesn't. For some reason, current difficulty doesn't scale. Why does current difficulty not scale? That's an issue. Let's temporarily just jump over to, let's see, here. So there's a problem with this function over here, or function, this this way of counting difficulty. Also, I can just do get difficulty. I don't know why I'm doing this. I could just do get difficulty, then toString that. Because I only have to edit it once. So difficulty is difficulty plus 1, which is 0, 1, 2, depending on which choice you made. This is that one plus 1, multiplied by everything within this this parenthesis, which is everything here. Which it's multiplied by floor, which floor should be 1 at floor 1, which is fine. So it should be like if the difficulty, first difficulty is 1, that's 1 times 1, so that's fine. Plus math floor time plus 3 minus start time. So this thing here is supposed to scale over time. This one. Yeah, this right here. So that's supposed to be floor of everything that's inside here, which is time plus 3. Adds 3 seconds just because for some reason for a while it like undershot itself. So we had time that was like below 0. So I just add 3 seconds to it just to add the thing. That shouldn't matter though. Yes. So it's time minus start time. So whatever time you use in the menus before you start the game. That's completely fine. This is basically just the time. I can actually just do a boom boom and then do plus the time. If I just put that here, the time divided by 5 minutes reduced by difficulty. That's what this is supposed to actually be. It should be a time-gated scaling based on how high your difficulty is. But for some reason, this doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Which to me seems very odd, as this should technically work. Yeah, I don't see why this doesn't work. Okay, let's just start up the game again with these, with it changed to be the get difficulty. Because at least it should add the plus. Even if that's floored to 0, which it should be sometimes, it should still add the plus of the floor. Oh, so no, it's just going to be the floor. But like if I go down the floor, it should still do it. I'm just restarting for a quick time just to check that it still does it. So this, kill enemies. Yeah, nice. Because now it should just straight up jump to 4. It doesn't jump to 4. For some reason it doesn't jump to 4. Which is weird. This doesn't jump to 4 when I'm... so technically, since I'm on difficulty hard, this should be 2. Floor number, when I jump to floor number 2, should be 2. So this should be a 2 times 2 plus... Since I haven't spent 5 minutes in game yet, 0. This should be what it actually calculates, but it doesn't. For some reason, this part isn't counted. If I temporarily just do this, I'm just gonna try removing that and seeing if that just changes anything. Let's check if that changes anything at all. Because now it should just be the floor. And then we know where the issue is if this doesn't work. Okay, let's just get an easy spawn. There we go. Kill enemies. Boom. Why this doesn't update to 4? I don't know. This should be 4. Okay. Let's jump on back. So, where does it get floor from? Oh, does it not update floor? Floor equals 1. Ah, it may not ever update floor. That might be the issue. So floor should just straight up be... Yeah, every time get difficulty is cold, we should have... No, that we should not. That would be really bad optimizing. What we should do is we should go into the map generator, which is this one. We should then go into the... Is it new floor it's called? Actually, no, we could just use the regenerate. Yeah, regenerate. In regenerate, let's just go difficulty manager. Dot instance. Is there an instance of difficulty manager? There should be. Enabled instance. Yeah, there's an instance of it. Instance dot floor equals floor. Yeah, let's just do that. Because changing it like that, that should now update the floor correctly. So let's jump back and see if that actually fixes things. I'm also curious to check the trap room, see if we actually manage to align it better. We also do need to go find out why we can still rerun bosses that we're not supposed to be able to rerun. Because it should be unique. Yeah, so let's just get an easy one, easy spawn. I'll also check the, this is a trap room. I need to go up a little bit more, but that's closer, I think. Restart. Here's a boss room. Boom, kill enemies. Difficulty is 2. When it regenerates now, it should be difficulty 4. Nice, nice, nice. So floors actually change now. Which means we should have a much higher difficulty if we now go to insane. Difficulty 6. Yeah. So now if I go to insane, these ones should have way more HP. And they do. Nice. Cool. So that works. There is a... Hello, Amber. How you doing? How's your day going? There's one more thing I would like to fix. The fuse is what I need to go to. I'm working on polishing up the final little parts of my game. It's about to release. It's going out the 20th. So I'm going through and finding all the little bugs and little things I can change and balancing things, making things work. There's so much small stuff that you don't like realize when you start making games. Start fuse. Ah, here, this one. If... Oh, why am I in caps lock? If exploded... I also need to have a... Yeah, because I do have the thing. And... Chest... Not ricochet. This one. Dot get component. Chest. Dot opened. Oh. Is. Oh, I can't check opened. Let's go into the chest and just edit it so I can check opened. C for chest. Check the chat real soon. There we go. Is opened. This one needs to be set to public. Fuse chest dot is opened. Boom. Because now, even when you enter, it should no longer start it over again. You saw me in recommended on YouTube? Wow. I didn't think I'd be jumping into the recommenders there. I tend to not actually do much streaming because I tend to be working so much. Thank you for wishlisting it. It's coming out very soon, and I'm just like super stressed. I've been working 8-9 hours on it. Release price is gonna be $13.50. Technically the price is $15, but there's a 10% discount for anyone who comes in the first week. Also, parts of the money will be donated to humanitarian causes. Yeah, I'm working 9 hours a day roughly on this game, plus an additional like 6 to 7 hours on my main job. I'm a workaholic. Major workaholic. So let's see. Yep, that's not gonna start it. If started not explored, that's fine. If it has reached target and not exploded, it does that. Yeah, that's fine, because that's... Yeah. You couldn't do that. Do you work on games too? are you just like scooting by people who work on games for the fun of it? I'm gonna do some competitions when the game like actually releases. I wanna do some fun little like, I don't know, like small community things once it's out. It just takes time to come up with all the things, and while you're actually working on the game, it's just you know. You're not a dev? Hey, everyone can be a dev if they feel like it. It is a lot of code and a lot of work, though. Now let's see. We do need to check the trapped ones. Let's actually just jump over to Unity then. Can you wrap your head around Python? That's fair. That's fair. I program in C#, C++, Python, and why am I doing this? I shouldn't be doing that. Go back to where you're supposed to be. Thank you. C#, C++, Python, some JavaScript, and a bunch of other ones, really like small things, depending on what I need. Mostly like the way my my teacher told me that as long as you know, let's go with +2. That should be enough. As long as you know how to program, you can pretty much do any language. But it's all about having fun with it. I would probably never program if I didn't have fun doing the things. I just like creating things that other people can enjoy at some point. For record, what I'm doing here is I'm just moving every trap up, because for some reason it moves down. So I'm just moving the traps up so that they will move back into position. Nice. Yeah, that's probably gonna be outdated. Yeah. Which one are you thinking about? The one on the Steam page? Ah, oh, I need to make a permanent link, don't I? Yeah, thank you for informing me about that. How do I make a permanent link? Invite people. Yeah, it then expires in 7 days. Yeah, if I get a never expire one, create a new link. Thank you for informing me about that. Here's the I have to sign into chat. Wow. I'll just update the Steam page with it. Let's see, Steamworks, Rogue Slime. Let's see. Here we go. This one and the store page. And the Discord link. Where's the Discord link here? Thanks, third party support, contact, legal lines, features, players. Ah, here. There we go. Perfect. Publish. Publish to public. It should be updated very soon. Yeah. If you refresh now, it should be updated with a new link. I'm unsure how fast they update on their side, but it should be updated now with a permanent link instead. Thank you for informing me about that. I did not realize it had timed out. Now, let's see. What else were we working on that we needed to fix? So the traps were a problem. Oh yeah, the balancing of lightning. For that, we need to head back into the... Actually, we can do that later. That's fine. Let's check the balancing on the actual... the difficulty going on now. Let's jump you guys back over into the game so we can actually get the game on screen. Oh yeah, before I start this, just save. And just save the software. Don't want to lose my my adjustments and everything. There we go. I think that's one of the few things that I have a problem with Unity. It doesn't have the autosave feature, which is kind of a bummer. Okay. Timer. This one should work fine. And if I go out and in now... Yeah, it doesn't reactivate, so that's good. And once it's exploded, it stays exploded. Nice. So that's fixed. These ones seem to scale properly. They have a lot more HP now, which means I might have to do a little bit of like... Oh, hi. A little bit of fine-tuning. Although it is on hard difficulty, so they're supposed to have a little bit more HP. Also, this is like pre-damage. I should... I need to go grab the XP scaling code and check if that actually scales properly the way it should. And gold scaling too. I need to scale gold properly. Because right now, it like the costs of things just become ridiculous. Oh, I can't actually check the chat while I'm in game because of Unity. I'm not gonna give you guys any hints on this, although there is a chest in here if you try figuring it out. Oh, is that fireball? Or is that just straight up fire projectile? Oh, I do want crit though. I'm gonna get that crit. Crit is nice. What else do I have here? Chameleon skin? Ah, right. I become invisible. I love the invisibility. Also a little bit of lifesteal. We like that. We like that. I'm actually just gonna check if the lifesteal... Ooh, yeah, they hurt now. Lifesteal does not seem to work. I'll check that. It might have the issue again where it just is too little to be recognized. And I have to edit the... to be a minimum 1. Yeah, we'll fix it. A little bit of healing there. I do have Slime Splitter now, so I will actually do some damage. I don't need healing. So, since we found an issue, let's just quickly jump into the code and check why lifesteal isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing. So lifesteal is in the code for lifesteal, which should be an enemy actually. It should be in the enemy take damage. This one. There should be a heal here somewhere. Where do I assign the player? I can just choose the player. Nowhere? Here we go. Heal instance healing per hit. Yeah, that makes sense, but that's not what I'm looking for. Let's die. Start function. And we need to be in the take damage, because there should be a thing here. Another check health. Health, heal, spore. It doesn't do it. Ah, okay. Okay, so here we should do a... Wait, why isn't it here? Never mind. Okay. Is it in bullet? Yeah, it's here. But this is in the trigger enter. Is it not in collision enter? If I just do this and check the collision enter. Is that the problem? That is the problem. Okay, cool. I'm just being a dummy and programming things in the wrong ones. So we just need this. Gold steel too, actually. They should be... Actually, I'll just take this entire thing. Right after chain. In the collision enter. Oh, wait. Did I remove it? I should just copy it and keep it. Collision enter, and right after where it says chain, because it's with enemy, bounces. Oh, it doesn't have chain. So if it collides, it doesn't do chain lightning? Huh, interesting. I'll put it in here anyways. It doesn't matter where it is, as long as it's where it's actually taking damage. And then on trigger enter, we have the chain. Where's the chain lightning here? Chain. Here we go. Chain. If it's not null, it's not splash damage. Let me start over to chain lightning. And the chain lightning coroutine needs to be tuned. It's slightly too strong right now. Chain lightning, this one. Did you get to see if the Discord link is updated, Amber? Chain lightning, because what we do is we need to do overlap circle, start pose, 99. Yeah, that's the problem. It's a little bit too big. So if we just tune the chain lightning to be... I found that 12 is a pretty good range, because it's like, it's big, but it's not the whole screen big. I can always tune this later if I need to. If I feel like it's still a little bit too big, that should work. Shouldn't feel like super broken now. Also, chain lightning, it does half damage, yeah. Nice. Also, I need to do this. Since it's half every time, it needs to actually like do half damage and not full damage. Because if it does full damage, then we're getting a lot more gold than we need to go at. Ooh, should we also have lifesteal here? No, I feel like that would be really overpowered. It would make it like super strong. In that case, we would have to make legendaries like really rare. Because legendary items are like really strong right now. Some of them are like massive. We could change that. We could change that. I'll see how it is balance-wise. But at least I'm gonna let the coins stack up and rack up the way they should. Now let's head back onto the game. This is gonna crash because I've updated the script. Well, I say crash, it's gonna like have to be rebooted because I updated the script and it doesn't like that. Oh yeah, I want to do another thing too. I want to do the gold doesn't scale properly. So my question is, do I want the gold to scale appropriately with the levels so that it looks like it costs more, but also you have more gold? But you have to farm on the new level. I think I want to do that. Because things are going to get more expensive, so if you just rush through levels, you won't be able to afford things. But if you spend the time to actually pick up things, which spends time, makes it more difficult, will actually make it cost more. And you have more gold. I think so. So what if we do that? I'm going to jump back to the Visual Studios again. What if in... bullets, boom. What if in the... oh, enemy is still doing stuff. That's fine. In the gold pickup, where are you? G... pickups. Here we go. Wait, pickup action? That's not what we need. Okay, let's just go check what the actual gold pickup does. The coins. Actually, it's a coin and not gold. It might be coin, actually. It might just be me looking for the wrong thing. I think I've named them coin and not gold. Coin. Yeah, coin pickup. Never mind. I'm just dumb. Yeah, so what we should do is on start here, we should just say coin value equal multiplication equals difficulty manager dot instance dot get difficulty boom 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 but we do half that. So we do this divided by 2, and then we do a math dot. I think floor would be good for this, to get it down to a round number. Boom. And we'll do an int on this. Cast that round number to an int. Nice. So then we just cast that round number into an int, and we scale it by half the difficulty manager, because you're gonna have other ways of actually picking up gold over time. Like you have the gold touch, you have the Midas touch. You're gonna have less cost of things in the shops. So I don't want it to like overflow, but now it actually scales. So like if you just rush through areas, you'll still be able to afford things by going to more powerful areas. It doesn't incentivize you to. It doesn't incentivize you to sit there and just grind for things. But you can if you want to. Yeah, I think this one would be good. Cool. Now, let's jump back into the game and see if there's anything else we can do. We do need to get some footage for the game. So I can make the trailer. Nice. Also, I should change this one to seconds. Instead of like recording my entire fucking screen with all the things I have, because I have so much stuff, it should just record. I can't do that, can it? I can't. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, never mind. I also wonder if I should have a mouse override, or if that's just like, you know, tacky. Ooh, chest. Which one's this again? Central heating? I mean, the cold damage. That's a legendary item. That's really early to get. Get wrecked, Reginald! Get wrecked! Come here, XP. Oh, they have so much HP now. I might have to change their base HP. Because my HP, like my scaling of them was changed based on like... because this is the difficulty that we're supposed to use on base. So I'll have to change their HP to be a little bit less brutal, since they're one of the elites that you can actually find in the first floor. Let's go do that. Characters, enemy. Oh, this is sound effects. We don't need sound effects. We need prefabs. Prefab, characters, enemies, elite bat. This one. Boom. Let's set their HP to, instead of 50, because that's a lot. Let's set their health to 40. Yeah, this shouldn't be too bad. It's gonna reduce the health by a lot, so it's not too bad to meet them now. Nice. Okay. I do like the fire rooms, by the way. Oh, they look badass. Yeah, 360. We can live with that. That is elite as shit, though. Whoa, and they like one shot. Okay, yeah, they're very powerful. I will not be able to kill this guy in time, I think. Yeah, I literally just don't have time for it. If I just rush over to this one, you can open it. That's a thing I need to edit. So now I have a large damage increase. I deal 14 damage now. Ow! What? It bounced! It's not supposed to do that. That's cheating. Nice. Let's go with safety coating, because we need some damage reduction in this one. I think 2 was a little bit too much. Let's do 1.5, I think. Because that was a little bit too high. Nice. Let's get some gold, because we need that. It's funny because like finding Reginald is so good because you know you're gonna be able to defeat him. It's basically free experience. Oh. I'll go for Reginald first. Ooh, also Reginald doesn't scale HP when it becomes a elementally enhanced. I think it just scales damage, but that's... yeah, we'll check that later. Ooh, 16 damage now. Ow! They still hurt. Not as much now anyways, but they still hurt. Nice. Get another level. Split shot is nice. Let's go with split shot. Yeah. I could technically defeat the boss like immediately, but I do wanna... oh, hi. I'm gonna farm a little bit more experience first. I might up the time scaling by a little bit. Instead of being like 5 minutes, I could do it like every 4 minutes minus difficulty. I wish I can't afford them right now, but I wish I could. The multi-bomb is so good. Oh yeah, I don't use the bomb much. I need to like actually like use the bomb for things. Because I've implemented like the ability to use bombs, I just never use it. I keep just shooting instead. Also, he moves properly now, so that's good. Now he actually follows me around, and it's creepy as shit. I don't like it. I got the best thing for this for this boss because I have a split shot, which allows me to clear these things. But they have so much health. God damn it! I need to move the door. Ow. God damn it, this boss is actually difficult now. Good. It's supposed to be. Ooh, do I have like damage on kill? Or health on kill? No, I don't. It's just that it actually runs it even though... ah, okay, I see. Huh. It runs the animation even though it shouldn't be running the animation. Because I don't have an actual like damage on heal on kill. need to dodge so badly. Fortunately, the line explosion that he does doesn't actually do as much. He spawns so many! God damn it! Okay. Might have to tune down his HP a little bit, because now that it actually scales with floors, it scales a lot with floors. So I might have to tune down his HP a little bit. His spawning stuff is fine. I think their health needs to go down a little bit, and his health needs to go down a little bit. Actually, you know what? If their health just goes down by like about half their health, that's actually not bad. Let's do that. Let's head on into Visual Studios, and let's just change the... Just change the thing here. We're in the Skeleton King. Yeah, because this is where he instantiate the things. Let's just do... To be fair, what we should do is we should just do a... enemy... Just to get component of enemy. This way we don't have to do get component all the time. Because that's slow. So we just do e.xp and e.room pass and e.hp. We do this, and then I make that an int. Then we say e.max health equals e.health. This is just gonna halve the health on the skeletons to make them a little bit easier to deal with. Because, like, I don't think the HP is too bad on the boss. The boss is fine. It's just that he spawns so much stuff that it can get very overwhelming. Oh yeah, we need to change the map spawner. Where are you? Map generator. We need to change the select boss room or place boss room. This one. Don't look at this code. This code is old. This is like some of the first code I ever made. No joke. Like, I started this project by making the making the map generator. It is the first code I have. It is so old. Let's see. Place boss room. Where was it? There we go. So, boss indices. That's the indexes of all of them. Yeah, random sequence of boss indexes, yeah? Because that's fine. That's fine. And then bool sequence. That's fine. Then we have a list of eligible rooms. We need to check a thing, like, where's the cleared boss room thing? Yeah, Because what we do here is we do range between boss rooms. So my issue here is we allow the usage of boss rooms multiple times. Now this works fine, but we need to have that I can do. Cleared rooms here. I know why. I know why. I see why. Yeah. It's because we have the indices are the wrong one, so I'm checking the wrong thing for cleared rooms. Cleared rooms checks for ints, right? Yeah. So instead of checking boss index, no, that's actually fine. Do not update cleared rooms, maybe? Ah, that's what it is. That's where it is. Never mind. I'm just not updating the array. Boom. That's what it is. Do I select randomly here? How do I do that? Yeah, because it does for each boss index and boss indices. Does eligible rooms. Yeah, so it takes... It finds every room that could possibly be connected with this. Yeah, it takes... Takes every single one and adds them into a eligible rooms. If it's greater than 0, then it says room to replace equals a random one of these rooms. So how do I now know which one that is? Wait, that's how's it, this doesn't work. Yeah, this doesn't work. Cause that's for each index. Oh yeah, no, sorry, no. Oh, I'm just being dumb. I'm just being dumb here. Yeah, no, I remember what I was thinking when I was designing this. Yeah, because it shuffles the indexes. So it shuffles all the boss rooms and then puts them in a random order. Then he checks the first boss room, sees if, first of all, if that boss room has already been used, and then if it has been used, it throws it out. Then it checks if the next boss room has been used. If it has not been used, it checks if there's a room it can replace with that boss room. And if there is a room it can replace with that boss room, it says, cool, I will put that boss in. And then we will skip the rest of it. That's what it's doing. And then with adding in this one in cleared rooms. Yeah. With adding that into the cleared rooms now, it should now no longer be able to reroll that. Cool. What else do we need to change? I think we need to change the... No, because it was only like the health. That was the issue. And that's fine. Oh yeah, we need to change the fuse. So chest. Fuse, where are you? Fuse, there we go. Fuse animation, check. Yep, that's fine. We have the chest. Start fuse. And we need to do... get component chest dot locked equals true. There we go. Now it's locked. It should now no longer be lockable, which is good. Oh yeah, also I need to do and not started. This should make it impossible to actually restart it. Because if you somehow break out of the room, which you can do with bombs, and then go back into the room, you can restart it, or could restart it previously. Now you can no longer do that. I'm also going to just add that straight to the bug fixes. Let's see here, beta releases, boom boom. And now it might not actually open, but that's fine. We'll check that later. What else do we fix? Just gold pickup. Fixed lifesteal. There we go. Just adding in notes so I know what I've done and what I haven't done. So we fixed a bunch of stuff. Let's go back to the game and see if we can find more things to fix. There's always more things to fix. Let's go check. I actually only have like a little bit of time left, so we'll just do a little bit of fixing and checking a lot of things. Checking a few things. And once those are checked, and once we've done that, let's jump on in. And then I think once everything is checked, I'll just head off to work and I'll be back home and do some more programming later. I also do need to check why the score disappears. I think it's a small issue with the score manager software or the script. I mean, maybe the script's just like cancel out at some point. I'll check it. Let's do another run. Oh, I also need to give resistances to some of the enemies, because like it doesn't matter if you have like an elemental damage if they don't have resistance to any of it. This one should just be openable. It is. Nice. That gives me crit rate and crit damage. Ooh, Sword of Massacre. Now we should be able to see like the actual crit happening with the damage numbers. I haven't seen a crit yet, but it should happen at some point. Then it should be visibly bigger, the number that is. Oh, yeah, there it is. It's 50% crit increase. So it now deals 100% extra damage. It's a little bit bigger, and it's crit. Nice. Nice, nice. So now it's nice to know that that works. Oh, hi. This shouldn't give too much XP, but do I scale their XP drop over time? Now that I scale my own XP need, I'll check that out later. Hello, Reginald. Get fucked. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, you can dash into it. And then it will not trigger for some reason. Interesting. Yeah, move these ones down a little bit. I'm just living off that invulnerability you get by that dashing, you know. Hi, Reginald. Give me more XP. No. More XP. Ooh, ow. Ow! Do these do 1 damage now? I feel like it did 1 damage. Also, I think I hit the thing and just turned off the light. Which makes sense, you know. When the gold is the thing providing the light, when you kill the gold, you know, you lose the light. Boom, boom, boom. I haven't leveled yet, so my damage is still pretty standard. Oh. This should be a level though. Nice. And we get charged shot. I do want to test that charged shot because there are issues with it, and I would like to see if I can remedy them somehow. It is definitely the weakest of the power-ups right now. So I think I probably do want to change it and make it slightly stronger. I'll do that later. Because while it's like, you know, you can charge a really powerful hit, it is definitely one of the weaker ones. Oh, well, that just hit there. Like it does hit for 76, so it's more of like a hang back and plan kind of shot, like that. It's very good for people who like being very dodgy, I guess. It is not my playstyle though. I like swarming them with lots of stuff. I do also wonder, I think with the charge shot, like a fully charged charge shot, I should give it like some extra pierce, or maybe like make it not be destroyed on impact with like destructibles. Maybe that's how I fix it. Maybe I just make it like not get destroyed on impact. That's a good idea, actually. Maybe I should do that just to make it feel a little bit less bad, you know? Hello, Mushy. How you doing, Spongo? Whoa, you have a lot of health. Maybe it's good I have the charge shot. Woo! Whoa. Okay, what crashed? Console. Trap deactivate. Poison pool. Okay, what crashed? Gaslight, point light, outer radius. I can just do one of these. And that should work. That's gonna crash the in-game, so I don't think I'll be able to actually play on. Yeah, no. It's gonna crash the in-game, but that's fine. Let's actually add in the... Yeah, let's add in the overrides for the charge shot. So, charge shot is a modification to player. Yeah, here you go. Start time. Charge shot size, charge shot damage. And it should have a max. Charge shot size is the min of that. And it lasts for time till charge. I don't know why it said time to charge still. Yeah, because my thought is now charge shot time to charge. Because on shoot here, if I head down to shoot, I do think I input like the charge shot stuff. Here. Here we go, local scale. So my thought is, what if I here just say like, if scale is max, like if it's the max value it can be, I'll just make it like penetrate through things. I'll check that later. For now, I'm gonna head off to work and do my second work, and I'll be back later, and then we can do some more programming then. Thank you thank you to the guys who scooted by. If you want to check out the actual game, the game is linked in the description. I'll be streaming this pretty much every day I can work on it. Probably multiple times a day if I can, until it is